Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Edelweiss Financial Services. The stock gave a breakout from a long-term range and now the stock looks bullish, so it's really good to go long in the stock. Before entering the stock's analysis, let's analyze the chart. The stock on listing was at the price range of 160 and came to the price range of 25. It's almost a drastic fall, and after that the stock somehow managed to move on the same price for more than 5 years, and then the stock started moving higher from 25 to a price range of 70, which is just a double on investment. And after the small consolidation on the same range of 70, the stock started moving higher till the price range of 300. So from 30 to 300 it's almost a 10 times return, but the stock couldn't manage that. It formed a double top here. It's kind of a distribution on top, and after a double top the stock made a huge move on downside. So it's a good breakdown after a good rally, and the stock started moving lower till the price range of 30. So somehow the stock managed to stay at the same price, and now the stock showing some bullishness. The stock also gave breakout from a downtrend, so it's good to go along in the stock. Now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So the chart tells that the stock is very good to go along, and after a good breakout here the stock took accumulation also, so it's really good to go along in the stock. And look at the volumes are rising even in monthly chart, and volumes are rising and prices are also rising, so it's even good to go along in the stock. Now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. Before moving to the weekly chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In the Telegram group you can ask your doubts regarding share market, and you can also suggest us some stocks to be analyzed in our style, so make use of it. In this weekly chart, the stock after a good breakout from the range followed since 2018 made a accumulation here. It's a re-accumulation zone which is in a short range bound market. The accumulation was very good. Look at the candles in green. The accumulation was deep, and the stock is now ready to give a fantastic return once again. I think it will give a 10 bagger once again. So now let's analyze the chart before expecting the returns. So the stock gave a breakout from a long term downtrend, but I think the stock yet to give a breakout from the short term range. So one can expect the returns only after the breakout from the short term range. So this could be a possible region in the stock. By demand and supply, we can draw this also. So the stock gave a breakout from a major supply zone, so it's a demand zone right now. Look at the candle that shows a strong closing, so it's really a good candle, but in recent times the entire buying is sold off, so such weakness are shown only to manipulate people on good stocks. So the stock is very good and the financials of the stock is very good, so it's completely alright to go along in the stock. Now let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. So by the demand and supply, the stock gave a breakout even in the daily chart, and in demand and supply, the stock is actually struggling to break the support level. So it's a good sign to go along. And the stock also gave a breakout from a short-term channel pattern. Let me draw it. So this could be a channel pattern. So the stock gave a breakout from a channel. So it's once again good to go along. So take entry above the price range of 100. So 100 could be a conservative entry. So taking entry at current market price is also fine because the stock gave a breakout from a short term channel and a medium term supply zone. So it's good to go long in the stock. For conservative entry, take entry above the price range of 100, and one can expect a easy gains, and one can expect doubling the money in the stock, and one can also expect a good return in long term basis. So it's good to go long in the stock. And let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to analyze the price target in the stock. Let me take this as a retracement. So taking entry at current market can give 109 price range as a target for the stock. So very short term one can take 109 as a target. It's just a manipulation that happening in the daily chart, because some people are just like that making panic in market and buying the shares in low prices. So it's good to going long in this stock at current market price, or else one can make 25% of investment at current market price and one can take another 75 above the price range of 100, so that you will get a good reward when the stock starts moving higher. And the downside possibility is very low because the stock broke a range which was followed since 2020 August, and the same region was acted as a major resistance and support even in previous years. So it's good to go long in the stock because the stock broke a major confluence area. So taking entry above 100 is very safe, and to get more rewards just take entry at current market price with 50% of capital allocated, and take another 50 above the price range of 100 and take 109 as a first target in the stock, and 130 could be a second target. And for long term we can expect a fantastic return from the stock because the balance sheets are good and financials are very good and promoter holding is fine. So it's good to go long in the stock. So by taking entry at current market price will yield almost a 20% upside when the first target is hit, and one can expect a target of 130 and it will give you almost 45% upside. So it's a good stock to go long right now, and taking entry at 100 is also fine. It will give almost a 30% upside when the second target has hit. So it's good to go long. Take entry above 100 and 130 as a target. Taking current market price as an entry is also fine in the stock. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos.